We are out here today on the street here with the Classic Car Club.
I feel great because this baby is an old baby and she's the winner. So I'm happy for her and I hope I will be able to maintain it more years and be able to come every year. But as from next year, I would not want her to win always the first prize, but allow other ones to be best.
You are a great Italian man. I want to present this award to Mr. Stefanos for winning the oldest vintage car. Vintage Queen, that's the award here. On behalf of the organizers of the Classic Car event
and Providus
Bank as well as the sponsors, please can you present the award to Mr. Stefanos? Please, if you don't clap, nobody will award you in this life. If you don't clap,
I love my own thing, please.
Clap.
We're trying to raise it up, let's see it.
Alright, so please say one word or two. Advise people that cannot maintain tasks. Tell them.
Thank you very much, everybody. I'm really happy of these awards. And actually, my baby every morning tells me good morning.
Tells you good morning.
Yes, of course. And I would like to say that this culture is getting every year more and more in Nigeria, and that is very nice.
This is your car. So I'm going to be asking you now, how long have you had this car for?
I've had it, I think, over a year or so.
Well, how old is the car?
It's a 1968 250 straight engine.
Wow.
It's called a straight 6.
So how long, what's the work you're putting into to maintain it? So because it takes a whole lot of maintenance to get the car to look this way. So what are you doing to maintain this?
Well, it does. You have to pay a lot of attention. It's a 68-year-old car, so you've got to pay a lot more attention than you do to normal cars. You realize that they don't. You can't treat them the same way. So you always have to pay attention to what's going on with it.
My name is Babajide Balogun, BB for short. This event is called the Classic Car Nigeria Show. So it's for family and friends to come check classic cars, old cars, antique cars all over Nigeria to come here to watch.
My name is Bola Odulami. I'm one of the organizers of this event. The Classic Car Club showcase classic cars and also promote the culture of maintenance. Some of these cars are 60, 70 years old, and keeping them on the road is it's out of interest. It takes a lot of commitment, dedication, and that culture has to be promoted. So the Classic Car Club is all out to promote that culture and encourage people to join our fold, like-minded people.
We are with the owner of one of the classic cars on display today. Hello, engineer. Tell us your name and about your wonderful car here.
Hi, my name is Engineer Twinkle Oruwarie, and I'm the creator of and designer and builder and manufacturer of these cars. Yeah, so this is the CX-5. We have 3 models: the CX-5, CX-6, and CX-7. Then this is our gold package. Each car has 4. This car has 5 camera system. The CX-6 and CX-7 have 4 camera bird's eye view system, but the CX-5 has a 5 camera system. And we have 20-inch wheels. These wheels are actually from the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. These are 20-inch wheels, and we're low-profile wide tires. We have the latest ceramic glass coat paint finish on there. You can see the paint, how it looks, and it's all full leather interior and leather dashboard. Yeah, and there you can see the champagne chiller there as well. And the carpets are lamb's wool sheepskin carpets, the animal skin. Yeah, and you can see all the door panels as well. So this car charges 10 mobile phones at the same time. 10 mobile phones at the same time. Wow.
Made here in Nigeria.
That's right, and it has 800 skylights. I can show you. Let me put them.
All right, let's see the skylights.
No, they're on. They're on. Check. Just put your camera up. Look at the ceiling. Bend. Go inside and bend. Look at the ceiling.
Wow. How long did it take to build this one?
Normally it should take about let's say 8 months, but it took a year. Each car took 1 year to build. We built 3 of them at the same time because we're also designing and developing at the same time. So that's why it was taking so long.
Wow. I am really, really excited.
80% of the work is done by me.
Wow.
All the electrical systems here are done by me. Yeah.
All right.
They are advanced cars because we have the AVCS, automated ventilation control system, that prevents passengers in the cars from getting cancer from the cars. People get cancer from their cars. Now, you get cancer. How do you get cancer? You get cancer from gases from the dashboard, the seat foam, and the carpets. A brand new car, that new car smells like carcinogenic gases. So if your car is old or new, it's always advisable to wind down all the windows, 4 windows, for 1 minute to 5 minutes before putting on the air conditioner. But our cars do, all our twin custom cars, it does that function for you automatically. This is our gold package. All the exhausts are gold tip exhausts as well. And you see the Made in Nigeria sign there.
Very, very wonderful event. It's looking so nice. We've seen vintage cars. We've spoken with some organizers of this wonderful event, and it is a wonderful one.